We begin with a look at the weather. A lot going on with the forecast. First, strong winds across the state right now. Here's a live look in New London where the flag is getting blown around pretty well there. The strong gusts also bringing down some branches, some of them falling on this car in Hamden, which you can see on the left of the screen, causing quite a bit of damage. And in Waterford, a part of Route 32 is closed after a tree fell there. Scenes like this happening across the state. The wind also causing some outages. Here's a look at the Eversource map. Those outages are pretty scattered right now, as you can tell.